That is Aoki coming down the ramp. She saw Kathy leave. And she goes back. And right there at the dog door, that's Momo waiting to go in. Let's see if I can get them all in there. There they are. There he's just kicking back. Oh, look at that. Look at that. This is her first time out, and he's already knowing how to go up and down the steps. Aoki fell down. There's Aoki getting up that one. There you go. Man, these dogs are smart, I tell you. First day, they've never been on nothing but the flat floor. And here they are already. Oh! Inside! Over here! Inside! Inside! There you go. Okay, climb, Aoki. He's trying to figure it out. Here, I'll help you. There we go. Inside. Go inside. Now they don't want to go inside. Oh no. I'm going to have to stop this to help. There they go. There they go. Inside. 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 Come on. Let's teach you how to get in there.
Daisy out what they do. Daisy would run away from them.
There you go.